How to log in Telegram without verification code. Let's get started. After you open up your Telegram application, you will have this interface. From here. Tap on Start Messaging. Now, to log in, you have to enter your country along with your phone number. Now, if you're logging in with a new device that you haven't logged before, you will be asked to enter the verification code. Here, Telegram uses SMS verification codes as a part of its two-factor authentication process, making it a reliable method to safeguard your account. So to save your account, you have to enter your verification code in order to verify that it's you who is trying to access your account. Without any verification code, you might not be able to log in into Telegram. But if you have already logged in with some other device, there you will receive a verification code as well. So once you are trying to log in, there you will have an option to choose whether to receive a verification code in a mobile device or to a device that are logged in with some other device. So if you don't have access to your phone number and you are already logged in with other device, in other device you will receive a verification code in the Telegram account. So you can simply use the code from there, and then once you're verified, you will be logged in your new device as well. So this is the only way to log in into Telegram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.